Sunday. I got here Friday, so probably haven't filmed all of yesterday. We didn't do much. My mom and I went to the stores. I got this shirt, some shorts, a shirt. I'll show you guys what I got probably when I get home. Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lizette. I am a college student. Okay, so I had to rush out of the house.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't
So bad.
You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you
Y'all, I'm in the restroom. This bathroom has perfume and stuff, you know? It's a bougie garage.
were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned back
Now I'm walking home. Y'all, I'm eating meat.
I will always remember
Beautiful that is. Ain't that beautiful? Washing.
how you got me off the battleground.
I got home and showered, and now this is my room. Put all my clean clothes there.
You got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted.
Play with me. Let me be right out of town.
I just had my interview. I had a phone interview, and they offered me the job. It's just, I don't know if I want it now, you know? Like, now that I know what it's about. Turn up the music.
What if the world had
I'm gonna be alright. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to put me up.
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
I just got home
Maybe the
from
birds will sing back
Christmas.
home.
I just got home from the store. I went to go get some food because I was running low.
You're joined to the ones who lost their hope.
Head night, love tall women.
have been in bed all morning editing, and I just finished editing my bed. I haven't made it, but yeah.